The 2025 Luxury RV Camper isn't just a vehicle. It's a rolling masterpiece, a 5-star hotel suite on wheels designed for those who demand nothing but the best. Every inch of this motorhome is engineered for comfort, elegance, and seamless travel, merging high-end craftsmanship with state-of-the-art technology to create an unparalleled mobile living experience. From the outside, the 2025 model makes a bold first impression. Its sleek, aerodynamic profile cuts through the wind, reducing drag and boosting fuel efficiency. Integrated solar panels on the roof feed a powerful lithium battery system, enabling extended off-grid adventures without sacrificing comfort. Automatic retractable awnings with built-in LED lighting extend at the touch of a button, providing instant shade and ambiance for any outdoor setup. Stepping inside is like entering a world of refined luxury. The cabin is wrapped in premium leather, hardwood finishes, and high-gloss surfaces that reflect ambient lighting to create a calming atmosphere. Smart glass windows adjust their tint to match lighting conditions, offering panoramic views during the day and total privacy at night. The entire interior is climate-controlled through a smart thermostat that learns user preferences over time. The living space features a sectional lounge with massage and heating functions, complete with a hidden pop-up 65-inch OLED TV and a surround sound system engineered by Bang & Olufsen. Voice commands control everything from lighting and temperature to entertainment and window shades, thanks to full integration with Alexa and Google Assistant. In the kitchen, premium appliances are tucked behind minimalist cabinetry. A dual-zone induction cooktop, full-size stainless steel refrigerator, convection microwave, and dishwasher turn meal prep into a pleasure rather than a chore. The solid surface countertops and hidden pull-out pantry add to the streamlined aesthetic, while the deep farmhouse sink includes a touchless faucet and integrated water filtration system. The dining area easily converts from a casual nook to a formal dining setting, complete with extendable seating and an electric height-adjustable table. Beneath the bench seating is hidden storage space for dinnerware, tools, and supplies, clever touches that maximize every square inch. As for the sleeping quarters, the 2025 RV Camper delivers a full residential experience. The master bedroom houses a king-size memory foam bed with adjustable base, under-bed storage, and dual nightstands equipped with wireless charging pads. Overhead cabinets and a full-length wardrobe provide more than enough space for clothes and travel gear. Ambient reading lights and a skylight create the perfect retreat after a long day on the road. The spa-style bathroom is another highlight. A walk-in rainfall shower with heated tile floors, a backlit mirror, vessel sink, and a bidet-equipped toilet bring residential comfort into the mobile lifestyle. A built-in washer-dryer combo adds to the self-sufficiency, making long-term travel easier and cleaner. Onboard tech extends to travel features as well. The digital cockpit features a panoramic touchscreen dashboard, 360-degree camera system, lane assist, and adaptive cruise control. Real-time diagnostics, route planning, and fuel station alerts are displayed in an intuitive interface, while the self-leveling suspension ensures a smooth ride over any terrain. The 2025 Luxury RV Camper isn't just about getting from point A to B, it's about redefining the journey itself. Whether you're parked by a mountain lake, watching the sunset from a remote desert, or cruising the coastal highways, this RV lets you do it all without ever leaving the comforts of home behind. Ultimate